Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making another mango recipe. Today we'll be making mango milkshake with ice cream. So let's see how to prepare this. For this recipe we need one ripe mango chopped into pieces and some sugar to taste. And we also need a cup of milk. We will also be needing some ice cubes and some nuts for garnish and some ice cream of your choice. So let's start preparing the milkshake. So to a blender jar add the ripe mangoes. Sugar, add sugar as much as you like depending on how sweet you want the milkshake to be. Also add a scoop of ice cream to this. Add either vanilla or mango ice cream. To this add some milk. Add milk as much as you like depending on how thick you want the milkshake to be. So when you blend this, first add a little milk and blend this into a very smooth paste and then add the rest of the milk. Only then all of the mango pieces will get blended properly and there will be no chunks left. Now our very simple mango milkshake is ready. Let's pour it into a glass filled with ice. Now add a big scoop of ice cream on top. Garnish this very yummy milkshake with some chopped nuts. Let's fill another glass with the milkshake. Doesn't it look so yummy? So please do try this very simple milkshake recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.